So this here is Slovoville. We are doing a march. So I left the people that are marching. I want to it's the background of this place. It's informal settlement. So mostly Mikuku. And why the people of Slovo wanted us to come here, it is because there is a lot of illegal immigrants in this place. And something touched my heart. My heart is touched so bad. These people have literally built the houses on top of our graveyards. These are graveyards. These are graveyards, as you can see. So all these places are built on top of the graveyards of our people. This is as you can see, this is a graveyard. This is the house. These are the houses. These are the houses around. So all this place, it's people's grave sites. Guys, this is a great, look at this. So the issue of illegal immigrants in our country is deeper than how shallow we look at it, because this touches our spirituality. This touches our forebearers. And you can imagine if you will not be able to point at a graveyard of your loved ones because somebody who does not respect your country has decided to not only disrespect you, not only disrespect the laws of your country, but even disrespect the roots, your roots, you know, the legacy, anything that comes with who you really are. So I left the people that are marching, that you are marching with. I had to come back here to record right in front of the tombstone that is visible, as others are not. So those people who could not afford to put this, which is the headstone, and could not put that, right? So those ones so they're banning this. They're trying to level it so they can insert and plug in more imikuku. Guys, what has become of our country? Do you even understand the reality of what we are dealing with? When we say these people must go, this has touched me in a very painful way. I don't even know. But yeah, this is at Slovoville. We were doing visibility. It's not really our formal march. We are still going to come and do it. This is a relevant and a necessary fight that we are fighting for our country, for our children that are coming. Because this is what's going to be happening with us. Our children will come and they will not be able to point at our own graves. So they are continuing Moses' business as usual. They are building, they are putting up structures in our country, guys. In our country.
Akonto mna guys endibhida ingathi it's when people say that the responsibility of sorting out immigration in South Africa falls on government, law enforcement, border control, home affairs, etc., etc., etc. However, same people can acknowledge that our government has been failing for 32 years. Home Affairs has been proven to be corrupt. The border control management is compromised and corrupt. So many cases, Matlanga Commission, Justice Zondo Commission, all these commissions happening every single day. Sikalango, yo. Every day is a yo day in South Africa. You movie by scoping in Belanje. Every day you are shocked because every day something new is unleashed. Another scandal is unleashed. But somehow, when it comes to this immigration problem, people expect us to trust the government all of a sudden. Ombu government, guys. Ngompilo government sizomthemba to do its job when they haven't been doing their job for 32 years. So what do people honestly expect South Africans to do? What do people expect South Africans to do? To fold our arms, watch things fall apart, watch our country fall apart. Sibukele, just watch and pray that one day our government will find it in their heart to do their job. Is that what you want us to do? Is that really, really, really what you want us to do? Because when government fails, the people shall govern. Whether government likes it or not, the people shall govern because the people are the government. Those people that have been placed in those positions of leadership are supposed to be doing what we as the citizens tell them to do. And if they can no longer do that, then we have to take back the power that we gave them and place it in our own hands and govern ourselves. Kula mama building a house is Lalin. That beautiful, beautiful house. Is it Mama Jack or Mama something that kept comparing South Africa to America because they know America America. And she was saying that the difference in America is that people don't take the law into their own hands. Kuko ice America akose America apa mamzo akose America. Apha uyakwazi unyoba nge-5,000 nje uhlala apha kweli lizwe unomphelo enakho police elizokuqoqa. Ayikho into esabu ice apha egadene ne-illegal immigration. Ayikho. It's not functioning. We are a failing state. We are not functioning at even 40% of the level that we're supposed to be functioning at. And guys, I think people just need to get it through their skulls that we honestly don't care what you label us as anymore. Asinaxeshalayo guys i-labels. Asizithelanga i-labels. Labelishwa thina asinaxesha lonto. I-country yethu siyayilungisa qha ngoku. And ongathandiyo makahambe nabo bazalwane kulate ngoku asihlali la.
Guys, kuwo wonke ama-countries ase-Africa akukho neyodwa efuna ukumela iqiniso. Bayasaba, asazi ukuthi basabani. Akukho neyodwa ke noma ingeke isakhipha ke insizwa. Kodwa isho ukuthi hayi guys nenza kahle zivumelana nani. Kunalokho wonke umuntu uzonda thina uzondela iqiniso. Kwa AfriForum leyo ithuli ithe ayiphawuli ayisho lutho. Ekubeni labantu masibaxosha kuma township into engiyaziyo bayesilungwini ke la beya khona noma bangathula bathi tu yabo njengoba sibaxosha emalokishini bazosuka emalokishini baya esilungwini baya ko middle class ke la beya khona manje njengoba bethula abakhiphi ngisho statement asisho ukuthi abayomasha asisho ukuthi abantu abayomasha ukukhipha nje istatement since nabo phela bama South Africans basho ukuthi bayasinikeza support kulungileke bayasaba ukuyomasha ontontoni uyabona bathuli ngoba bona bahlukumezekile. As for omakhelwane bethu kumbi bengitshela ukuthi ukhona nje ozosho ukuthi hayi guys nenza kahle nabantu bethu abenzanga kahle uyabo basinikeze leyo support. Kunalokho wonke ama countries ase-Africa azonda thina simele iqiniso ekubeni thina sinezingane zamazombi. And lento yabo nje mawuzazi ukuthi uzele yabo mawuzele uzazi ukuthi uzele uze wazi ukuthi uke wangasukuma wangadila nale country ye-AFCON uze wazi ukuthi ngo-2030 uyobungenayo ingane. Akekho umuntu oyobe ne-teenager ngo-2030 wonke ayobe ehlala phansi kwama-bridge bayobe bewalanda ko-UJ baleyo bewalanda ko-vet kuzothunywa wona phela eBrazil. Angithi thina sobe sesibadala vele singasekho into esizoyenza kuyobe sekuthunywa zona le y'ngane zeni izona ezobe yithunywa eBrazil ngo-2030 neyikamzilikazi kaMashobane zithuli nje neyinsizwa nje zomzilikazi kaMashobane zithuli nje nazo zithuli ithe tu hayi sizoyibamba kodwa sizoyibamba nakwi-apartheid vele kwakunje nakwi-apartheid abanye babehlala phansi kwesihlahla bedla umango vele abanye behamba beyomasha abanye benzani abanye belwa ngomculo abanye belwa ngey'kesho ombongeni ngema kwakuphithizela nje nange-apartheid kwakunje kodwa egcineni kwagcina kuwiniwe yabona kwagcina kuwiniwe kodwa i-support besingayijabulela nje komakhelwane especially komakhelwane because manje hey iyafuneka yona i-support kodwa hayi kulungile-ke sizoyilungisa kodwa mase silungisile ningashoki ukuthi nithi seniyeza ningadlali ngathi bafethu kufanele silungise angithi nina owenu government anikwazi ukulwa wozwani yenizolwisa thina ke thina ngoba siyanikwa ioption yokulwa lwisani thina ke silwe nobugebengu ngeke silwe nobugebengu mase nina nifika seku right that's not fair ilwani nani phumelano bala akwazi ukuthi nina nithatha iside nathi angithi niyawabona ama video seAustralia angithi niyawabona ama video belungu bese Ireland bayasho ukuthi bamile nathi cacisana ukuthi nimnathi noma nenze njani fanele sazi ukuthi obani abangani bethu fanele sazi ukuthi obani abangani bethu because uzoshuba ish is about to go down ngizwe egazini ukuthi nje khona into ezayo eshubayo sibonge nokuthi uJacinta noPhakela ba right siyabonga imarch sikhiphile istatement siyajabula bese sine stress siyicountry hayi siyajabula aqhutshekwe kusebenza kodwa bomakhelwane angikho happy ngani.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thought below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulongele, bye. See you on the next one.